asset, no? So yun po yung tatandaan natin, no? So nagustuhan ko lang po dito, when the people in the time of Bitcoin was being launched, the people are promoting Bitcoin and grow their community by only believing and having faith that this asset will grow exponentially without receiving any kind of rewards by promoting it, no? But sa atin, we have the chance to earn reward. That's a good thing. Now we go to the cryptocurrency of Omni. What is Omni? No? So, yun po yung diniscuss ko lang kanina about crypto ng konti lang kasi ano yun, tawag dito just to give you an idea what is the crypto space is just an open mind for all of us. No? I-open natin ang sarili natin kasi from time to time the digital era right now is so fast, napakabilis umangat ng technology ngayon, napakabilis mag-grow ng technology ngayon, and we should understand the technology is so fast, kailangan din natin sumabay kasi pag hindi po tayo sumabay, ano po nangyayari sa atin? Mahuhuli tayo sa balita, no? Ganun lang po siya kasi ang Nokia that time, nung lumabas ang Nokia, sila sikat sa cellphone, sa technology ng cellphone. Pero nung lumabas ang BlackBerry, lumabas ang even BlackBerry ngayon nawala kasi hindi siya sumabay. Nung lumabas ang iPhone, nung lumabas ang Samsung, naiwanan sila lahat. Yung technology ngayon sobrang bilis. Pag hindi mo nasabayan, may iwanan ka. Tama? So ganun lang po siya kaganda. Ating opportunity na marinig ang opportunity na meron tayo ngayon. So the opportunity for our skill is really wide open to everyone. We have only more than 600 community in my team, no? So ibig sabihin, konti pa. But believe me or not, having much team of 600, napakaliit niyan, but we are earning very good right now. No, so I can ask some of our team of coaches na kumikita na somehow in doing this, being part of this space, being part of this project. Again, we are not financial advisor to really dictate you that you need to invest to this kind of business. We just need to ask some people who are expert in financial instrument, and then you must read, you must learn, and we can learn together. And once you are prepared to be with us, no, growing the volume, growing the growth, be part of growing the community in this project of Omnisphere, then we can work together to see how big the value of this asset someday na mag-grow natin together. Okay? So, this only here, it's a exchange, no? So our platform is an exchange. It is a decentralized exchange. There are two types of exchanges. There is a centralized and the decentralized. So ang crypto space naman, ang cryptocurrency naman talaga, it is a decentralized. Kaya lang nagkaroon ng centralization kasi nga hindi may tatawid ang mass adoption. Ano yung mass adoption na tinatawag? Yung dadami ang users, yun po yun. Pagka dumami po ang users, no? Pagka dumami ang users, meaning to say, dun po lumalaki ang value ng isang asset pag dumadami ang users. At pag dumadami ang users ng exchange, dun po na-stabilize ang market. Dun din po na-stabilize exchange itself. Now, sino ang unang exchange sa buong mundo ng crypto? Si Binance po, no? Pero siya yung unang centralized exchange. Pero nung nilaunch ang Bitcoin, meron tinatawag na market exchange na. Doon nagkaroon ng exchange. Pero nung nilaunch ni Binance ang centralized exchange, doon nagkaroon na makakabili ka na napakadali lang ng crypto using that Binance exchange. And it connects the centralized system and banking system ng bansa o whatever countries doon sa system ni Binance. So there is a P2P system din na pwede kang bumili directly sa mga seller and buyer ng crypto, no? Pero sa decentralized exchange, crypto to crypto lang talaga. You need to buy crypto first, whatever crypto, especially USDT, before trading into this exchange. So meaning to say, we are purely doing crypto decentralized system. So, kung maganda lang po dito kay Omni, the normal exchanges like Binance, like Bybit, like Uniswap decentralized exchanges, like KickSwap decentralized exchange, ang normal na decentralized or centralized exchanges, pupunta ka lang din para mag-trade. And at first, Binance is offering referral program din. So whoever refer a friend, whatever they bought, if your friend bought crypto and trade inside that exchange, then you will earn something from that exchange na ginagawa, from that transaction na ginagawa ng ni-refer mo. So yun yung difference ng mga traditional system. Pero very good approach po ang ginawa ni Omni. Ano po yung ginawa ni Omni? Ang ginawa po ni Omni, he created a staking program, where this staking program is a locking system, contract siya, that if you buy Omni and lock in within 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days or 365 days, so you will earn more. It will give you more Omni. It will give you chance to store more Omni. Kasi at traditional exchanges na may sariling token, no, na may sariling coin na pinapa-staking din, kikita ka lang, or kung bibili ka lang ng token, mag-hold ka lang. Dito ano maganda po kay Omni? They gave us chance to be part of this system of staking system or staking reward system, where we can lock in and get more token, hold more token. The moment na lumaki ang value ng token, then we can get more income rewards or more income from the token na in-hold po natin, no? Sandali lang po Can you get me a cup? I just need to get more. Get. Okay, so ang maganda lang po dito kay Omni, no? Ang maganda lang po dito kay Omni is binibigyan tayo ng chance na makakuha ng more token sa staking system nila. Kasi normally, pag bibili ka ng token, bibili ka lang, i-hold mo lang, no? I-hold mo lang siya, and then saan mo kikita. Yun naman talaga ang normal. Meaning to say, yun ang talagang ginagawa ng mga yumayaman sa crypto. Abangan nila anong cryptocurrency ang puputok, anong cryptocurrency magkakaroon ng value. Titignan nila gaano kadami ng community. Of course, sa atin konti pa lang, hindi pa ganun kadami. But we are actively promoting it, actively building the community of Omnisphere. The good thing with this, dun sa program nila, binigyan tayo ng chance to enter into a contract for 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360 days. 0.1% per day, 0.2% per day, 0.3% per day, and then 0.4% per day. So with this, we will lock in the contract of Omni. You buy Omni, i-lock in mo, you earn 0.1% of your Omni day by day. Or if you want 90 days, you earn 0.2% per day Omni day by day. You lock in 180, you earn 0.3% per day every day of Omni, or 0.4% per day. That would be 3%, 6%, 9%, and 12% of your Omni contract per month ang kaya mong kitain. We are receiving Omni token from time to time, no? Again, like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. You can get an advice from the financial expert. They can learn to, and you can learn to. No, so ang maganda lang dito, in my experience, we are now getting more Omni. You can exchange this Omni anytime if you want to get your full rewards or profit every day. But the key to become to gain wealth and to establish wealth in that space is to hold. Hindi ka nagmamadaling ibenta ka agad lahat. Pwede kang kumurot. Gusto mong kumurot ng pambili mo ng cellphone, kumurot ka. Kumurot ka ng pambili mong ulam, kumurot ka. But the key to establish and building wealth in crypto is to hold more. Because lahat po ng crypto lovers or crypto enthusiasts is sila yung mayaman because they have patience to wait hanggang sa mag-grow ang value ng asset. Right now, ang value ng Omni less than $1. Previously, last week, more than $1. It's volatile too, no? So we need to understand the volatility, but the volatility is a gift for us as a believer. What if after 6 months, again, after 1 year, after 2 years, naging $5, $10, at marami kang nakip na Omni. If you have 20,000 Omni na nakip sa loob na isang taon, at nag-stick ang presyo ng $10 per Omni, that would be 20,000 times 10. That would be 200,000 Omni, no? And times $10 per Omni. So meron pang $200,000. That is simple mathematical explanation or computation of being part of this space. Ganun lang po siya kasimple, no? So, ano po maganda dito? So, si Omni po is an exchanger, like I said, similar to Uniswap and PancakeSwap, that can enable the users to swap, to stake, and to hold crypto assets. You just need to use crypto decentralized wallet. And there are some crypto wallet in the market. There is Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Token Packet, 1inch, or even SafePal. It's a lot, no? So, how many Omni will be distributed to the market? The tokenomics will be this one. 1 billion total supply, 800 million at the staking supply, 200 million will be the liquidity supply for the exchange. Without the liquidity, hindi po siya tatakbo yung exchange. So, laging may exchange, may liquidity dapat dyan. 800 million lang ang mapupunta sa market. Pero 5% will be burned. Nabe-burn po yung 5%. So, the rest will be distributed sa lahat ng gustong mag-stake, sa lahat ng gustong mag-hold, sa lahat ng gustong mag-trade. Ganun lang po siya. Okay? So, ang Omni po ngayon is 1-to-1. Nag-start po sila ng $1 to $1, pero right now, nag-volatile na po siya after ng halving. No? So, the features of the platform, you can swap, you can withdraw, you can refer, and you can be part of the staking contract of this platform. Ito na po yung bagong staking contract niya. No, ito na po. Kasi previously for the last 8 months, naging po siya, ang highest po dyan 24%, pero nag-reduce for sustainability and stability of the platform. Okay? Now, we go to referral program. Very simple lang po referral program natin. Refer a friend who will be holding Omni, no? Who will be part of the staking program, then you will earn rewards based on their rewards. Ulitin ko po, you will earn a reward directly from all your referral friends, no? Nag-refer po tayo, kapag nag-stake sila, we earn from their rewards. Hindi po tayo kumikita sa in-invest nila o sa binili nilang crypto. Ikita po tayo sa rewards, no? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want you to understand fully this one, that if you need more clarification, we can answer, but still you will be the one to decide to be part of this growing community of Omnisphere. If you think that this can help you, no, and this can help you to gain more assets and somehow ikita din, then you will learn with us and earn with us. But there's a lot of financial advisor there na magagaling. Try to learn and try to ask them as well, okay? Level 1. This referral program is everywhere. Kahit anong klase, kahit restaurant, gumagawa din sila na refer a friend. Pag nag-refer ka sa restaurant, bibigyan ka rin nila ng discount. It's the same. So dito, bibigyan po tayo ng income sa bawat ni-refer natin. Sa unang referral natin, we can earn 10% of the daily referral rewards ng ating ni-refer. No? So example po, ako, in-invite po ako o ni-refer po ako o in-introduce po sa akin ni Coach Jovi yung Omnisphere. Nagustuhan ko, pumasok ako sa staking contract nila. Pumasok ako ng 1 month, 30 days lang. So Jovi will earn 10% from my daily rewards every day. Kung kumikita po ko, example, ang nilagay ko po, binili kong Omni. 10,000 Omni. Example lang po, no? 10,000 Omni. At gusto kong kumita doon ng 0.1% per day. Example lang. I will be earning 10 or 10 Omni a day. And from that 10 Omni, Jovi will earn 10% by 10 Omni every day. So Jovi will earn how much? Kikita siya ng 1 Omni every day. And how much is the value of Omni? Right now, less than $1. If the value of Omni will become $2, then Jovi will earn $2 a day. And I will be earning $20 a day kung nag-value siya ng 2 Omni at $2 per Omni. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. So 10% sa referral mo, yung kita niya, 10%. Mali po ba yun? Say yes. Kung mali daw yun, before ako Yes, Coach.
Yes po, yes.
Thank you so much. So, pag ako po nag-refer, nani-refer ni Jovi ako, nag-refer naman po ako, I will be earning the same, 10%, no, of the daily rewards nang ni-refer ko. Pero si Coach Jovi, kikita po siya ng 8% naman. Okay? Napakaganda po. Bakit? Since December po, nung pumasok po kami nila Coach Jovi, nila Tita Fe, Coach Fe, and sino pa ba? Coach JV. Lahat po kami naka-experience ng daily rewards. Every day, walang mumpay. Every day, napakabilis. Every day, napakabilis yung exchange. Every day po, solid, kumikita kami. No? We're not here to entice everyone. We are just showing you the possibilities of the Omnisphere project. Of course, you can believe us. You cannot believe us. Whatever it is, it's up to those people who attend to this presentation. But what I can tell you, no, guys, in this life, it's all about belief. If you believe on something and you do that something, for sure you will be able to see the result of that something. Ganun lang po siya. No? In this life, you cannot take anything in this life. You cannot take anything in this life without risking something. That's the principle of life. If you want to get something, you need to risk something. Wala po dito na sabihin natin, pwede ba akong kumita na walang ginawa? Wala pong ganon. Kasi even the principle in the Bible and the principle in the book of God is it always says, by the sweat of your face, you will eat bread. No? So ibig sabihin, you need to do something in this life for you to have something. No, pag di ka magtrabaho, hindi ka kikita. So pag hindi ka nag-stay, hindi ka rin kikita. Pag hindi ka nag-refer, hindi ka rin kikita. But the good thing with this, no, pag nag-stay ka, nag-refer ka pa, kikita ka rin ng gusto. And later on, we can show you not only the testimony, but it's a real earning every day. No, so again, we're not here to entice you. We're just here to share the good news and opportunity of Omnisphere. No? So next, third level. You will be earning still up to third level ng 5% of the daily rewards. Nag-refer ako. Yung ni-refer ko, nag-refer din. Si Coach Jovi kikita ng first, second, and then third level. Up to fourth level, 3%, to fifth level, 2%. Malinaw po ba yun? So, ibig sabihin, level 1, 10, level 2, 8, level 5, 40, and level 5, 2%. Again, no? Kung nakikita natin maganda to, then we can refer. But if you think that you cannot do this, it's okay as well to hold or to even stake lang. But if you think na hindi to maganda totally, again, we are still friends. No? Sino man na nag-invite sa inyo, we're still friends. We can still have coffee in Starbucks or Coffee Bean. No, we can still meet. No, let's still do things together. But it doesn't mean pag di tayo nagsama sa negosyo, we will lose our communication. That's not how life is. No, so we are just here to help everyone na makita ang opportunity. What is the opportunity of crypto space? Because a lot of people nowadays globally, talagang maraming talagang nag-wholesale ng crypto. And I saw most of them, they not even earn even 5,000 lang o 10,000 lang, but they earn millions or even billions of dollars in this space. No, so sometimes it's too good to be true, but the reality is nangyayari siya. No, so nasa sa atin lang yon kung paano natin siya i-take. No, so after po ng level 5, ang question, may kita pa po ba tayo, coach? Wala na. Pero kung gusto mo mag-upgrade ang level ng income mo, no, rebuild mo ang community natin, no, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na rank-based bonuses. So ang rank-based bonuses, the more growth of the community, the more na magkakaroon ka ng group volume sa team mo, simula sa iyo pababa, then you will experience to go and be promoted and become a Solana, no, or even Cardano, and then Ripple, and then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. So meaning to say po, may iba-ibang position po dito. As we grow our community together, from you down the line, when you reach the 5 sponsor, no, nakapag-sponsor ka po ng 5 tao, at least nag-stake siya ng 100 Omni, no? Or USDT, kung 1:1, 100 Omni po yan. And then the achievement 30,000 accumulated. Simula nung nagsimula ka, na-achieve mo, nag-grow ang team mo, nag-grow yung community mo, umabot ka ng 30,000 Omni, ang group volume mo, then you have 500 personal stake, no? 500 personal stake, and then you will earn additional, no po yan, ano? Earn 10% of the group daily staking rewards. Yan. So, kikita ka ng 10%. Tawag po sa iyo, Solana. No? Napagdaanan po namin yan. At kusang lalaki ang grupo. Hindi mo siya akalain lalaki, pero kusang lumalaki. No? So, patuloy siya lumalaki kasi pag dumadami nag-i-stake, patuloy na lumalaki. No? So, whatever rewards you have, you can exchange automatically and quickly using the Omnisphere Exchanger. You can even exchange from our exchanger going to, after mo na-exchange, isend mo kagad sa Gcash mo. Then pag na-receive mo sa Gcash mo, of course, sa PH mo, 100%, it will become peso automatically as quick as possible. Bumalik na nga pala, by the way, coaches, ang Gcash ngayon, medyo bumilis na, no? Sabi ni JM kanina, minutes lang, nag-transact siya kanina, bilis. So, ibig sabihin, bumalik na ulit ang Gcash na na-update ang system nila. No? So, when you reach this, you can earn maximum daily rank-based bonuses of $200 a day. Pwede na ba yan, coaches or team? Masaya na ba kayo sa $200 a day?
Wala, baka ayaw niya.
Oh, yes na yes.
Yes na yes. So, napakasimple lang po na gagawin natin. Ano yun? Let's just build the community. No? Let's just tell people the beauty of crypto space, the beauty of crypto assets. No? But it's their choice still. All of us, it's our choice. Don't force anyone. If they don't like it, let them be. No? Let them understand. And again, we are not financial advisor to advise you anything. We are just sharing the purity of Omni that we have right now. No, so we just need to share. We just need to understand that this opportunity that we have is very rare. No, very rare. Hindi lahat ng tao nare-receive ang opportunity na to. And right now in the Philippines, there is 7 million plus of users or enthusiasts of crypto. So napakalaki na rin. Next, Cardano level. Habang lumalaki ang group mo, volume mo,
Hindi ko
as
nakikita
long
pre,
as
andun
yung
yun.
5
Power ka
active
naman.
mo ay nandun pa rin, yung direct sponsor mo. No? And you achieve 100,000 accumulated group staking
Kinalagot na kaya
volume,
ta sa sinabi ko eh.
then you earn 20% of the group
Pre.
daily staking
Pre,
rewards.
si
So
Blitz,
meaning
pre,
to say,
magaling sa,
the
ano to, sa
moment na
investment, pre.
increase ang
Kaya
volume mo
nag-supply
anytime, no time frame, and hindi ka rin nade-demote
Yun nga,
dito,
ganyan pa rin.
no
Wala
demotion,
siyang hawak.
you will earn at least $400 a day na maximum for this rank-based bonuses. And your portfolio personal should be 1.5. Malinaw mo ba yun? So becoming Solana, you earn 10%, maximum 200 a day. Becoming Cardano, you earn 20%, maximum $400 a day. And so on. Becoming Ripple, no 300,000 group volume lang. And then you have personal of 3,000. You earn maximum leadership of
Basta pre,
600 a day.
yung papunta sa inyo,
No,
diba?
30% na yan. Once you hit the 800, you become Ethereum. You earn $800 a day. Once you become Bitcoin,
Malayo
you
ba kayo
earn
doon?
$1,000 a day. On top of this, uni-level or level 1, level 2, level 3, level
malapit ka lang doon.
profit rewards referral program system. So, ibig sabihin magkaiba po itong income na to. Iba itong uni-level,
Ito pa na tumayo si
iba
Jollibee,
itong
pre.
rank-based bonuses. And once na na-reach mo yung Satoshi,
Pare, lutuin na
no,
natin
na meron
ito,
kang
Blitz,
dalawang
pre. Okay na to, solve na
Bitcoin
sa
rank
kanina.
na dalawang sponsor
Close
mo,
na to.
promoted to
Ano na lang
Bitcoin,
to,
direct mo mismo,
tawag dito.
you will get shares, 3% of the total stake volume of the
Lumagin na tayo sa tahimik.
Clear platform. Masya Allah. Ibig sabihin,
Ayun, pre.
hindi ka nakikita sa grupo mo. Kikita
Oh,
ka sa
kumapunta,
buong
pre. Ano, dito na,
sistema
sakto, alam
ng
mo.
platform ng Omnisphere. And you will be earning 3%
Sige.
Omni.
Okay, sige.
So,
Usap tayo
cut it
doon.
short, the concept of Omnisphere
Sige,
is
pre,
giving
basta
us
mag-ingat
chance
ka.
to hold more Omni. Pag nag-stake ka, dami po yung Omni mo.
Jollibee tayo,
Babalik
Jollibee.
pa yung capitalization ng Omni mo.
Okay.
After the contract, example kung nilagay mo
Kabuyaw, kasi yung di ba
1,000
pag-exit ko ng
Omni
Kabuyaw,
worth
tapos
of,
kakaliwa ako, di ba yung
babalik yan
Jollibee
after
na
1 year kung 1 year contract mo.
unang-unang Jollibee,
Babalik
yung
yan
sa may
after 1
kanto,
month,
di ba?
1 month contract mo. And yung daily
Okay,
rewards
okay.
mo, personal, nakukuha mo. Dumadami yung
Okay,
Omni mo.
okay.
I-hold mo,
Ingat tayo,
pag
ingat.
i-exchange mo, nasa sayo na yun.
Okay,
But the
sige,
more we
sige.
hold, the more we build community, yung value po ng Omni token will skyrocket someday. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. And you earn if you refer from first level to fifth level, you earn if you have group volume nag-increase from Solana, Cardano, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Satoshi. That's the only referral program that I've seen the beauty of Omni compared to other traditional platform na nakita ko. I've been in the crypto space for almost 6 years now, and I saw the beauty of this platform that it can help everyone, no, to gain more asset in crypto and at the same time to overcome poverty in the future. It's a matter of belief, of course. It takes so much patience for us to earn more in the future. But we must understand first that this kind of business is growing rapidly, not only in the Philippines, but even in other countries. No? And in my experience, in the past 8 months or almost 9 months, being with Omni platform and being with my team, we are really growing exponentially, very fast right now, and really earning a good rewards day by day as we being promoted to different positions. Right now, I'm a Ripple. Ito na po yung level ko, Ripple ko. And I'm grateful and thankful for all those coaches, leaders under my team, dedicatedly doing this business with me and dedicatedly, growing the community with me. And it's all about what they call this leadership. If we build our team exponentially, not only in the Philippines, but even outside Philippines, we will be able to help the community to grow. We will be able to help to grow grow the value of our asset as well. Who knows? Pwedeng maging $10, $15, $20, $100 ang value ng Omni in the next few years. Katulad din po yan ng Binance Coin. Nag-umpisa ng walang value. Ethereum, walang value. Bitcoin, walang value. But right now, how much the values of this crypto asset nowadays? Napakalaki po. Po ng Bitcoin ngayon kahit sa because this Ethereum right now is 4,700, 400, 500 or whatever. No, so ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo lang yung 100 na yun sa value ng Ethereum, yan yung asset mo. And these are real cryptocurrency value. And you can even use this at itatawid mo ang asset mo from one country to another without the problem in the regulations. Kasi ang crypto, it is a decentralized. No one knows your asset and no one can access your asset. No one can take control of your asset except you alone. So ganun po siya, no? So thank you so much. I hope you understand what is real, and whatever question you have, you can